Paano po?
Ano ba?
Paano kung ganito? Paano kung bigla
Oh my gosh!
mo inaasahan, I'll kiss you right on the lips. Yeah,
Nakagawa niya
that little love makes you posted in front door. Show up in certain time, approaching with the roses in front door. Ooh, ang dami ka at ikaw ang tanging kailan. Oh, haharanahin kita. Saan tayo magpunta? Hindi mo kahit wala lang. O kaya biglang may breakfast in bed, just to keep you interested. Lahat ay kahit wala lang. I just wanna do simple random things to say I love you. Pilit kang patatawarin kahit na ang sayo mo. Kahit di ganon kawangis, ika'y ibubuhin ko. I'll probably take you to a private little island, baby, that's right. And maybe share a snack that I like it, baby, I'll give you the last flight. Ooh, oh, ang dami pa. Just wanna do simple random things to say. Simple random things to say. Simple random things to say. I love you. I love you. Dami na lang.